Yes, indeed. It's always a good idea to start preparing for the sale of your home early on. Spring is typically a busy season for real estate, so you'll want to be ready to make the most of it. Here are some things you can do to get your home in order. Clean and declutter. Start by cleaning your home thoroughly and getting rid of any clutter. This will help make your home look and feel more spacious and appealing to potential buyers. Make repairs. Check for any repairs that need to be made and address them before listing your home. This can include fixing leaks, replacing worn-out fixtures, and painting. Update the look. Consider updating some of the cosmetic features of your home, such as changing light fixtures, adding new hardware to cabinets and drawers, or installing new flooring. Landscaping. The outside of your home is just as important as the inside. Make sure your lawn is well maintained, and consider adding some plants or flowers to your garden to give it a pop of color. Professional photos. Finally, make sure to invest in high-quality professional photos of your home. This will help make your listing stand out and attract more potential buyers. By taking these steps, you'll be well on your way to having a smooth and successful sale when the time comes. Good luck.
To acquire or private show on any properties, don't hesitate to get in touch with Rodney Sum at 209-539-2915 at your convenience. Or visit us on the web at www.someonerealty.com. This is a Someone Realtor promotion media and it's a Realty One Group Zoom based in Tracy, California. JT Global Investments Incorporated Brokerage and our DRE number 02141534. Our physical address is located at 2140 West Grant Line Road, Tracy, California.